It seems like every day AI becomes part of every content creator's toolbox as new platforms become available every single day. Other platforms like Canva that have been around and we've been working with them for quite a while are stepping up and adding AI functions to their offerings. And one of the things that I find really exciting is Canva's Magic Studio. So I want to show you a couple things today in Canva's Magic Studio. So we're going to go into Edit Photo, and you have a variety of various options here you can use. And I'm going to choose the Magic Eraser because I don't like this big white screen. I guess it's a screen of some sort over the back of her head. It almost looks to me like it's coming out of her head, and I find it kind of distracting. So if I'm going to use this image for something, I'm going to just take that out. Now, you do have to be patient because it does take a couple of minutes. And voila, that ugly background is gone. And so now, to me, it's not distracting anymore. And there we are. We have our photo. This works great when you have the odd plant in the background or maybe even a person that you don't want to have in your scene. You can just go in and remove it. The other two functions that I want to show you is Magic Grab. Now here I have someone sitting on the sofa writing in a notebook with a cat sitting by their side. And because I'd rather have it be a dog than a cat, so I am first going to remove the cat using our trusty Magic Eraser. I'm just going to take our little feline out of the picture here. And here we go around. Sometimes if you're working with something small, which I've done from time to time, removing a corner of a chair or something, you have to be a little bit more precise, but this is a pretty big piece that we're removing. So now the cat is gone. Now you can go in and you can finesse it a little bit. Because I'm going to put another image, I'm going to put the dog there instead. I'm not going to worry about that. So now I have a photo of a dog that I'm going to use for the dog to sit on the sofa. And I'm going to take this photo here and I'm going to use Magic Grab. Now Magic Grab, just grab the dog out of the photo. So I can take the dog up, put it here, and I'm just going to flip him around a little bit. And there we go. So he's looking up at the person. Make him a little bit bigger here. And there we are sitting on the sofa. So now we have the dog sitting just as I want, gazing up at their human. So if you are looking for a photo and you're not able to find it, you may want to go in and play around with the AI functions in Canva to create a photo to look exactly the way you want. Here we remove that background, and here we replace that little kitten sleeping on the sofa with a little puppy. Black labs are my favorites, gazing up at their person. So again, I do want to mention that the Magic Studio is only available with Canva Pro, but for my money, it's really, really worth the small investment to have all these features. Hope you picked up a trick or two.